This guide is going to explain to you how to use my channel, create a path of education for yourself based on your goals, and what to expect from each course. We'll be learning technical, mental, procedural, and at the highest level, comparative analysis. I'll show you how to access my Discord community where we help each other 24/7 in becoming better traders. And there's people just like you who are everywhere from brand new traders to seasoned pros making 7 and sometimes even 8 figures a year. Also, I'm going to show you how to access my interactive quizzes. Thankfully, 2 courses are free, so you can try it before you decide you want to level up your game, and how to access a bunch of documents and worksheets that I've created, which are also 100% free. All right, let's get into it. Let's start by discussing each course. The beginner's course will allow you to lay the proper foundation in technical analysis to advance forward. There's 2 beginner courses available, the original one and the remastered. If you're brand new to trading and know absolutely nothing, then the original beginner's course is where you want to start, as the lessons are about an hour in length and go into great detail with examples as I walk through these different teachings. The remastered course is the same, but more so of a crash course. There are 5 to 10 minute lessons where the information is highly condensed without as many examples. Everyone should 100% take the remastered course at a minimum, so you understand my trading style and why I say things like we use no indicators, fundamental analysis doesn't work, and we never trade silly things like the rumors or news. We're creating the perfect set of data so we understand absolutely everything on the charts. All moves can be explained with perfection. It doesn't matter if it's cryptos, stocks, commodities, forex, or anything else. My work allows us to explain and predict every single move in the markets before it happens. This is why it's imperative to build your foundation so you're not misunderstanding anything in the future. If you're brand new to trading, you should take the original course first, and then right after you're done that, go into the remastered course. If you're already well versed in trading, then straight to the remastered you go. At this point, you're going to want to sign up to my website, gatex.io, so you can access the interactive quizzes that go along with each lesson. No worries, as there's no paywalls or marketing involved here. It's 100% free to join. I simply wanted to support my community by making add-ons for people to enhance their learning experiences. You simply make an account by entering your email and username, and 10 seconds later you have access. The advanced course comes next. You'll be taking the second technical analysis course as soon as you're done the beginner's course. And just like before, this has the same prerequisites as the beginner's course. If trading is new to you, then the original course is more suited for you. And once you've completed that, you'll be taking the remastered course as well, or just the remastered course if you're already familiar with these topics. So that covers the first set of courses you're going to be taking. You're either going to be taking 2 remastered courses as well-versed traders, or all 4 courses for newer traders. Before we get into my next course, here's where you're going to want to consider joining my Patreon. By doing so, you're going to get access to my Discord server. People use this as a great trading hangout and an online office 24/7. You can simply come and go as you please, or stay all day and master your craft. You'll also be able to access deeper level of interactive quizzes by selecting a higher patron tier. No worries if this isn't for you, as it's not a requirement moving forward. Rather, it's just a suggestion to enhance your learning and increase your experience. Now we're going to take our first professional level course, The Future of Trading. This course will help you redefine your skills and will be the third and final step into our technical analysis journey. By the end of this course, you should feel very comfortable looking at charts and deciding what you think price is going to do. This course is huge. Seriously, it's almost 100 lessons and will completely redefine the way you read charts. It's a major undertaking and will prepare you to crush the markets. Word of caution, you're going to spend a lot of time on this course, as like I said, it's almost 100 lessons. Now it's time to talk about training the mind and developing good habits. In trading, there's a huge mental game that must be conquered. For this reason, you'll now take the Mental Analysis Evolved course. This will help you not only in trading, but also in your everyday life, as we explore ways to optimize the way you live, the quality of decisions you make, and the way your mind is thinking. You'll equip your brain with a new set of gear on this one. Please make sure you complete the worksheets that are inside the lessons. They can also be found on gatex.io under the documents section, completely free. You just need a username. The Blueprint course is next on our list. Now that we know technical analysis very well and mental analysis, it's time to move on to the execution layer of trading, one of my signature styles, which I call procedural analysis. This course will teach you critical thinking skills like position sizing, bankroll management, how to execute trades, when, where, and why to leave a trade, and so much more regarding the execution layers of trading. Procedural analysis is one of my signature forms of analysis and is going to fix your leaks and expose you to more profits with less risk. Finally, we end on the elusive butterfly effect. This is the highest level of chart analysis there is. I created the style and I call it comparative analysis, for the simple fact that we are at an extremely high level comparing the analytics of the moves that are happening live in the moment to understand what's going to happen next. This course will be the defining moment of your trading career. It's regarded as the single best course created ever in day trading and will give you a level of knowledge that only a few day traders across the world possess. Most, if not all of them, trained by me. This course is twice as long as the future of trading to give you an idea of how mammoth in size it is. And there's a part 2 coming out in the future. Butterfly 2 is next, which isn't out yet, but hopefully by the time you're watching this, it will be released. I hope this guide has helped you making your decision easier. Good luck in your studies, and I'll see you in Discord.